Hi friends, welcome back to another video in our prediction series. For the next week or two, we have identified few trading opportunities in which one of them is completed and the others are in the process of completion. Okay, so let's get started with the one which got completed, Voltas. As you could see from the chart of Voltas, it is in a clear downtrend. Voltas is in a clear downtrend and it is ripe for a bounce. Here what we are trying to do is we are trying to place a counter trend trade on Voltas. Now let me expand the chart a bit. Take note of this strong impulsive move to the downside. We had this strong impulsive move to the downside and our trading opportunity lies here. This portion is where we have spotted our counter trend trading opportunity. Let me show you how. For a counter trend trading opportunity, what is the requirement? The requirement is to have 3 lower lows accompanied with an RSI divergence. On this chart of Voltas, let's see if we can spot 3 lower lows along with an RSI divergence. We have a low here, another low here, and another low here. Now when we look at the RSI, this is the point corresponding to this low, this is the point corresponding to this low, and this is the point corresponding to this low. So when we draw a line across, we can see or we can spot that the RSI is diverging. It is making higher lows while the price is making lower lows. So there is a clear divergence on the RSI, which completes our counter trend trade setup. Now once our counter trend trade setup is complete, the next requirement is to have a convincing higher high closing, which gives us the conviction to place our buy trade. Look at this candle here. This candle is where our buy trade got triggered. Let me move to a lower time frame. When you move to a lower time frame, you could clearly see this candle. We have a convincing higher high closing here. Okay, now let's switch back to a 4-hour chart and see where we could place our trades, our targets, and our stop loss. For that purpose, let's pick our target placement tool, and assuming the market opens somewhere here in the next trading session, this would be our first target, and this would be our second target. Our stop loss has to be placed just below this point. Since it is 500, the even handle number, let's keep it at 499. 499. Okay, so now let's see how this trade plays out in the next few trading sessions. Next on our list is Hindustan Unilever, or HUL. As you could see here, Hindustan Unilever was in a strong uptrend. This is a strong, impulsive, bullish move to the upside, after which we have entered into a period of consolidation. And this consolidation phase is where our counter trend trading opportunity lies. Okay, so focus your attention on this portion here. What is the prerequisite for a counter trend trading opportunity? We need 3 higher highs along with an RSI divergence. In this case, we have got 2 higher highs, one here and the next here, and possibly the third one is in formation. Okay, and there is a clear divergence on the RSI, as you could see here. So what does this mean? This means Hindustan Unilever is losing momentum to the upside, and it's now readying itself to push down in the immediate short term. So for us to take a trade, we need Hindustan Unilever to push a little bit up with RSI still diverging. And once we have the setup, the next requirement is to have a convincing lower low closing. Once we have a convincing lower low closing, we can place a trade for this as our target. Or in short, once we have the setup complete and a convincing lower low following the setup, we can expect the prices to push down into this level of support. Okay, so that's it on Hindustan Unilever.